Friends, session 4, family. Family is what I am a part of and what is a part of me. I want to relish a family day today. It's an irony that I need to wait and celebrate such times that I can experience persistently. I am so very sunk in my busy schedules that family time is something that I need to take out on purpose. Anyway, let me focus on the things I can do, as a result of which I can discover the hidden happiness that I very much have in my own house. I would like to take out minimum 4 to 5 hours for my family today. I may choose to either take a half day off from my work or else come a bit early and plan the schedule with my family. The entire family, including me of course, can go out at a soothing place like a park or somewhere in the woods where I have some beautiful conversations with them and also engage them in those conversations. Be it nostalgic conversation, be it something that I want to do in future, be it about some dreams. Other than that, I can click some few pictures with them, share love and care for each other, dream about something that I want to do with them in the near future, or maybe in a little late future, maybe a vacation or something. In short, have a great quality time with each other, away from the external world, and totally immersed in the intimacy of the family that already exists, but I have to experience it. I shall experience that love and bliss within me, which has multiplied now, after this outing. The very reason that it was shared, the very reason is that because it was shared, it was always in my mind, it was in my heart, but it was never shared. Besides, there may be some internal grudges or assumptions which never came out, which will come out very happily, and everything should be and will be sorted out. Well, like whenever we open out in our hearts in front of our family, at that times they also might have something and they also open out, and this makes it literally a blissful and a positive environment, and it gets the everything gets subtle and minimized to an extent, and the only thing that exists is love. Well, on that note, I shall not only start feeling closer to my family because of this, but also closer to my own self, thereby creating a scope of ultimate peace, love, and beyond. So let me cherish a family day today. Session 4 over, family. Thank you.